Okay, so we've got everything you need in
For the
this
veggies.
kitchen. We've got a white cutting board. We've got 2 cutting boards. Chef knives, we've got tongs, we've got spoons.
Hello, happy September. We're here today with Mona and Kelly from CHATS, and we're going to be doing a few recipes.
Kelly and Mona are from CHATS, which is a local organization that Kelly's going to tell us a little bit more about in a second. But for this year, CHATS is the recipient of our Community Product Initiative funding.
CHATS is an organization that supports seniors across all of York Region and South Simcoe, including Sharon, where we are today at Vince's Market. The programs and services that CHATS provide are to help older adults live their best life at home and in their communities. We do meals, adult day programs, respite care, personal support worker, home support worker, lawn care, and so much more. I'm very, very grateful to be here at Vince's Market to talk today with Giancarlo and Mallory and Mona about community products that Giancarlo will talk about a bit later on today. Take it away, Mona.
Well,
So Mona used to be a chef, and she's still in her restaurant.
a
She's
bistro.
a bistro.
Small place.
Yeah, okay, being modest.
Right.
Yeah, so Mona, tell us maybe a little bit about how you came to creating these recipes with community product items.
When I first started with CHATS, we talked about this project and how we could support Vince's in their initiative to support us. And I thought, hey, wouldn't it be cool to come up with some recipes based on each product that's part of the initiative? Like 1 month you had the butter.
Yes.
What can I do with butter besides just eat it? So I tried to come up with recipes that I've successfully done in the past that would work with different products.
So Mona's going to help us make 2 recipes that came from community product items, and we're going to let you take over the kitchen today.
Alrighty, cool.
Mallory, why don't you cook the pasta?
First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up the chicken. Perfect. My mother was here, she'd be taking all this chicken off the bones for me because I don't generally do this myself. All right, I think we got most of the meat out of here. Onion, garlic. When I first learned how to cook, I didn't have an oven.
No oven, just a
I was
stove.
living in Europe, I was
Yeah.
a student, and I only had like a stovetop.
No way.
So I learned how to cook everything, even a cake on the stovetop.
Mona, you're making bechamel. I've heard the word bechamel. What is bechamel?
Béchamel sauce is the most decadent sauce in the world. It's basically flour, butter, and milk. And if you want to add sugar to it, a lot of sugar to it, you can eat it as a dessert. You can make it like mashed potatoes, where it's like really thick.
Yeah.
When you put it in the oven, it holds everything together because it thickens even more. And while that's cooking in the oven,
Yep.
we'll do the salad.
Mallory will do the blending. She figured out how to get the lid on. I would have never thought to strain the sauce. This looks delicious, Mona. Dinner at Mona's house seems like fun. Do you enjoy cooking?
I love it. It's my stress reliever.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, this looks lovely.
Bon appetit.
Thank you.